A lot of big cities with high impacts from this storm. Let's move much farther off to the east. Places like Atlanta, significant icing in the forecast for parts of the metro area. The mayor of Atlanta, Andre Dickens, joins us now. Mayor, thanks for being here. What a storm. I mean, you have some turbulent day to get your residents prepared for. Waking up to freezing rain first thing tomorrow, a little bit of a warm-up, some storms at the end of the day, and then Arctic chill to move in. What's it been like trying to get that message out?
Yeah, we've been spending most of our time in coordination, getting ready for the winter event that's going to take place. It just started to rain now, and we know overnight it's going to turn into freezing rain and ice. And so for the past 2 days, we've been letting the public know that this afternoon, this evening through Monday, stay off of the roads. You don't need to make any unnecessary trips, and you need to have your batteries charged for your portable devices, have candles, have flashlights in the event that the storm breaks power lines with these heavy limbs and trees that may fall, so that people can be prepared. They can have firewood, and to also just make sure you have food and water. And people did take heed to that message. And I think that over the past day or so, they've gotten a little accustomed to the weather being okay, but we're reinforcing that message now that overnight, this can turn into ice and be slippery, and you won't see it coming. Even though we pre-treated the roads, Atlanta Department of Transportation, GDOT, we've gone out there and done salt and brine, but we have to make sure that the residents and people driving through Atlanta take precaution and don't take unnecessary trips.
Yeah, Mayor, your residents know all about the dreaded wedge, that cold air moving in from the northeast, and we're watching that happen in real time. It's a big metro area, and sometimes you can have very different experiences depending on where you're at from north to south. Are you most concerned about northern parts of Atlanta moving through this event?
Yeah, all of the weather indication shows that the northern side of our city and metro, northern and eastern, will get hit the worst. But even a quarter inch of ice can still cause damages in areas in Atlanta because we're so hilly and we have so many trees. We're the city in the forest. So all across Atlanta, we're taking precautions. We're working with Georgia Power and with our gas and utilities to make sure that if power does get disrupted, that they can quickly go into action. We have our forestry crew to cut tree limbs off of lines. But overall, making sure that our vulnerable residents, the senior citizens, and those that are unhoused, that they have somewhere to go. We've opened our warming shelters, and tonight and throughout this weekend, on through Monday, we'll be making sure that we take care of those folks. And, the weather patterns have said that it's going to be north, so we're making sure that we take heed to that. But all across the city, we're prepared. Yeah,
Mayor, I know you're keeping your residents prepared, folks across the country, watching the forecast there in Atlanta. You get the world's busiest airport, and sometimes as ATL goes, the region or the country goes. So best wishes. We appreciate you taking a couple minutes in what we know is a busy evening. It's the mayor of Atlanta, Andre Dickens. Thank you.
Thank you. Stay safe.